Grandmaster Jimmy Furtado here. Today I'm just going to show a little bit of the kicking stretching movements that we use in the Tai Chi Kwar Monkey Kung Fu system. Now we're going to start this way here, in the ready position here. We're going to go out this way here. I'm going to do 2 double chops up and out. So I'm chopping up and out that way. And when we do the chop, we're using this way here, chopping downward, simulating we have little axes in the arms, the hands like this size, like they had in China in the ancient days, the old days, and they would chop with the axe. That's why it's called axe fist chopping. That's part of the Kwar system of the monkey style. Okay, but we're going to add the stretch kicks with the chops. So I go to here, I chop up, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a stretch kick straight like that and back. And then I'm going to chop left side, I'm going to chop right side like that. As I'm doing the chops, I chop down and across, opposite leg, opposite arm, and I'm using the forearms as the weapons. This hand automatically comes up. When it comes up, you can think of it as a block in your face, like block the face that way. Then I come down and chop again, block the face. But we're going to coordinate the upper and lower body, and I'm using the standard bow stance. And so I'm here, I stretch, I'm going mid-range first, and I chop, chop, like that. I'm stretching, chopping, chopping. And all you're doing is warming up the lower back, you're warming up the hamstring, most of all, and you're warming up the spine and the hips and the waist. You don't want to go too high in the beginning because you don't want to pull the hamstring muscle, or you don't want to injure or strain the back at all, or your waist, or hurt your spine. Okay, for that matter. So in the beginning, you're going to go low range or mid-range, chop slow, come back. Stretching kick, chopping, chopping, coming back. Stretching kick, chop, chop, and back. Stretch, chop, and back. Stretch, chop, and back. Stretch, chop, and back. Now when you get a little more advanced, you can stretch, kick higher, that way, and then chop, chop, back. Stretching, chopping, back. Stretching, chopping, and back. Okay, now we're going to try the other side. Step back, block, double blocks up and out. Stretch mid-range first. Then this time we're going to go right, left, chop, and back. Mid-range, right, left, back. Stretching kick, chopping, chopping, back. Stretching, chopping, chopping, and back. Stretching, chop, chop, and back. Then go a little higher when you're warming up, or if you're more advanced and the muscles are warmed up. Get stretched higher, chopping, back. Stretching, chopping, back. Stretching, chopping, back. Stretching, chopping, back. Then I'm going to change side. Then I go to here. This time, you go mid-range, outward axe kick across. Mid-range, outward axe kick across. Mid-range, and across. See, here, and across. And now I'm going to add the chops. Here, left, right, back. Kicking, chopping, back. Kicking, chopping. Then a little bit higher. Kicking, chopping, back. Kicking, chopping, back. Kicking, chopping, back. One more time. Kicking, chopping, back. Now change side. Here, chopping out, Kick out, mid-range, chop slow, whoo, whoo, back. Kick, chop, back. Kick, chop, chop, back. Now go a little bit higher, kicking, chopping, chopping, back. Kicking, chopping, chopping, back. Kicking, chopping, chop, back. Kick, chop, chop, back. And kicking, chopping, chopping, back. Good. Good. It's a little bit of the exercise movement we're using in Northern. My baby girl here. Say hi, Charlene. Say hello. Say hi. Hello. She says hello, everyone. It's my baby girl. 12 years with me, my little rescue. Such a sweet dog. One of the best dogs in the world. Okay, and I'll be back at a later time. And we'll show a little bit more kicking movement. We're doing the Northern Tai Chi Kwar Monkey Kung Fu system. Okay, peace, love, joy, and happiness to all.